have watermelon. So my backyard's mess. That's a bonfire, soccer balls, random playthings, a fence, a slide, swing set, laddery thing. So I don't know how that worked out because I'm using my laptop. Because I broke my camera. I'm too tall. What if I could actually, like, climb it? I think it'd be cool. I don't like blow drying my hair because I think it's really bad for your hair. I'm thinking I straighten it every day, so that's pretty bad too. But next time, not using so much on my hair, right? My sister, Tommy Barbie. I think I talked to her the first time. But I thought I like to make cool noises. I think I spend all my time reading right now. This is my favorite book right now. The Help is actually really good. I'm not finished it yet. I'm actually not really that into it at all. Like into the book, not like into it, like. But it's actually really good so far. Oh, I'm taking medication. Well, this is my room. This is like a memory box type thing. It has a picture of my cat on it. There's all these cool things. This was from, I went to a park thing, and this was from, I don't know where these two things are from, I can't remember. I did a thing. And like you spun a wheel, and if you answered the question correctly, you got a sticker, and I answered 2 of them correctly, so I got 2 stickers. This is because I go to a program called Internet, and well, yeah, we do special things because we're all into leadership and stuff. I changed into pants because the skirt was annoying. Yeah, that's the only reason. I don't like wearing pants. I don't know what it is, I just don't. This is from another thing. I have this friend, and he didn't wear retro clothes, and oh my god, he didn't wear retro clothes, so I taped purple stars on triangles onto him. I have 193 silly bands last time I counted. And this is from a friend. I got this. Oh my god, I got this for Valentine's Day. A rose. Oh, I know what this is. I named my bear Pedo Bear. I have a bear named Pedo Bear. I don't know where he is. He's probably hanging out with other teddy bears. Stamp! It's huge. It's not huge, but like, oh. Plane ticket, plane ticket, plane ticket, plane ticket. I do a lot of traveling. Butterbeer recipe. This is going like flat on my wall. Pulling tape out from underneath my bed because pulling scissors. Oh my god. All that work for a snippet. The dramatic moment. Circus du Soleil Quidam. I failed French. Actually, I passed it by 3%. By 3%. 53%. That's what I passed French with. I am never taking that again, but I probably will. Because I don't want to take Spanish. I don't want to take French. I'm probably just going to pass. Ginger, it's delicious! No, it's not.